Rule 1, give every dollar a job. Sounds simple enough, and in all reality, it is. Just take your account balance and decide what every dollar will do before you spend a single dime. Congratulations, you are officially budgeting. However, let's back up a second here. Before you can give your dollars jobs, you need to determine what jobs need to be done. This is kind of like a to-do list for your money, and everyone's lists are going to look different. Now sure, parts of our list will look similar, a place to live, food to eat, monthly bills, that kind of stuff, but it's very likely that your overall list will look different from mine, and that's okay. If you live in a city with easy public transportation, your list probably won't include things like gas and car insurance, compared to my dad, who's got a 70-mile commute every day. If you've got a bunch of growing kids, then clothing and saving for college might be a big priority. I take a weekly pottery class, my husband is an avid runner, and we've got 2 silly but accident-prone dogs, so money for hobbies and vet visits is a higher priority for us. We will never tell you how to spend your money, since everyone's lives and priorities are different. But deciding what you want your money to do for you before you spend it will give you more power and awareness over your spending decisions. And make sure every dollar you spend is going towards the things that are most important to you. You are the best person to decide how your money should be spent. And that's why we give every dollar a job.